The 2025 Bel Air is a stunning blend of classic inspiration and modern engineering, bringing back the vintage charm of its legendary predecessors while integrating cutting-edge technology. The exterior boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, featuring a bold front grille, LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that enhances its aggressive yet elegant presence. The body lines flow seamlessly, giving it a refined yet dynamic look, and the chrome accents add a touch of retro appeal. The rear end is equally impressive, with stylish taillights and a well-contoured bumper that complements the car's overall aesthetic. Large alloy wheels complete the design, providing both stability and a commanding road presence. Underneath its stylish exterior, the suspension system is engineered for both comfort and performance. A fully independent suspension setup ensures a smooth ride over uneven roads, absorbing bumps effortlessly. Whether cruising on highways or tackling urban streets, the 2025 Bel Air maintains a composed and balanced stance. The well-tuned suspension not only enhances comfort but also contributes to precise handling, making the car easy to maneuver in various driving conditions. Road grip is another area where the Bel Air excels. With a low center of gravity and an advanced traction control system, the car delivers excellent stability, even at high speeds. The tires are designed to provide optimal grip on different surfaces, ensuring confidence-inspiring control. Whether taking sharp turns or accelerating on wet roads, the vehicle remains planted and responsive, making every drive enjoyable and safe. In terms of speed and overall performance, the 2025 Bel Air is no slouch. It is powered by a high-performance engine that offers a seamless balance between power and efficiency. Acceleration is brisk, allowing the car to reach high speeds effortlessly, while the responsive transmission ensures smooth gear changes. Whether cruising on open roads or overtaking slower vehicles, the Bel Air delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Despite its power, the fuel efficiency remains competitive, making it a practical choice for daily commutes and long road trips alike. Inside, the 2025 Bel Air is a masterpiece of modern luxury and classic charm. The dashboard features a clean and intuitive design, incorporating a digital instrument cluster and an advanced infotainment system. The controls are ergonomically placed, allowing easy access to navigation, climate control, and entertainment functions. Premium materials such as leather, wood, and soft-touch surfaces elevate the interior ambience, creating a refined and comfortable environment. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, featuring plush cushioning and ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality upholstery options, including leather and suede, add to the luxurious feel. The color combinations are carefully selected to enhance the interior's sophisticated appeal, offering choices that range from classic beige and brown tones to more contemporary black and red accents. The seats are also equipped with heating and ventilation options, ensuring year-round comfort regardless of the weather. Overall, the 2025 Bel Air is a perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation. With its stylish design, advanced suspension, excellent road grip, powerful performance, and luxurious interior, it stands as a testament to automotive excellence. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or a modern enthusiast, this model offers a compelling driving experience that is both thrilling and refined.